welcome back to Plannercraft. Hopefully you can hear me. He's just trying to relocate the stream so that he can join in on comments. And hopefully he can find us all again. I will give you a few minutes to rejoin though before I continue. So just pop in comments saying hi so we know that you found us again, and I will get restarted.
No idea, so just be patient.
Apologies for the breaking broadcast.
Somebody's found us.
Okay, so just let us know as you come in, just give us a little hi so that we know that you've all managed to find us okay, and then I can get restarted. No. It's just because I'm waiting and I have things almost in the right position.
So Zena back. Hi Zena. Sorry about that.
I would say it's not our end, but no. I think it could be the software. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut into our arches that we've cut. So there's two ways that we could do this. We could measure one and cut both at the same time so that we know that they're accurate one to the other, or we can just adhere and just play it by ear. And for now, because time, especially with restarting, I will do it on the fly. So I've positioned it.
Carolyn McCullough.
Right. Hi Carolyn. So I've basically worked out that I want it to end along here, and that feels like a natural point. So when you're working with a pattern die like this and you're wondering where to crop it, if you just move it up and down until you find a point that you just think, yeah, that looks like it should end there, rather than having to end there. So that's along this line here where we've got the tip of the butterfly, so I know that I need to glue there and down.
Tracy's back. Hi Tracy.
Sorry about that, Tracy. Yeah. And go just in there. I'm just going to do a little bit along this edge. So where I was saying earlier that, it's not a case of your design necessarily works out different, it's just the ratios sometimes work out different. This is definitely the case with this card. So we could have done it with a 6x6, but we've gone up to a 7x7. So I don't want to go up too high, so that's a little bit too high, so just rub a bit of glue off. I'm going to work from the top edge and get to the point where it's at that kind of sweet spot. And there. So we just got the centre of our flower. Now we want to mirror this down the other end. So for starters, if your die cut has a pattern to it, you want to try and make sure that you've matched what you've done this side. So in this case, our die cut's actually going to go upside down. And again, we want to crop off from the tip of the butterfly and below. this edge.
Tracy said it's a very nice lemon colour.
It is. The cardstock is from the Dovecraft texture card pack. Again, we're going to go line up on the fold and line it up against this top edge. I'm going to tear it down. So at this point you can snip it with scissors or a craft knife, so it's whichever you feel confident using. God, I lost my staple again. So I'm just going to go with a craft knife. If it starts to pull like that, just release it, let it settle. And we can always sort that out after. If you have gone too high with glue, just rub it off. Because we can always use these little offcuts on another piece. So, waste nothing. So let's just check that. So we've got a little bit just overhanging on our flower. Go in there. Get that up. I'm just doing it little section by little section. And if it pulls like that, just put it down that level. And it's because we've only got like the little dots of glue. And we can always come back to it if need be. Let's do this one next. Okay. Just so I can get in there a bit easier, I'm just going to turn this round. Line that back up. There we go. And flip it over and trim anything, and we'll do anything that needs it. So there's a little bit just there, just needs a little bit of a trim. And we have another of our card fronts that we designed sorted. So I'm going to set these two waste pieces to one side, and I may use those later as well. Okay. So for now, I think I'm going to call it a day there while technology's still smiling on us. And I'm going to go away and do a few more of the designs from this morning. So if you didn't get a chance to watch this morning's feed, feel free to pop over to either the group or the page or our YouTube channel and catch up. And we'll see you again at 7, I believe.
We're doing 7 tonight, are we?
Should we do 7 or should we do 6? Go on, your vote. Should we go 6?
Yeah, if you want to.
Get it done and yeah.
Yeah. So back again at 6 o'clock this evening for Your Vote Counts. So if people want, it's always good fun. We let you make all the decisions. So hopefully technology
permitting,
we will have polls and we will be able to get that done as well. Tracy says the earlier the better. So 6 o'clock then. Yeah. We'll go for 6. And so we're back at 6 o'clock tonight for us. So that's just under 3 hours time.
Yeah, if
basis,
you're
I noticed
elsewhere.
yeah. So, and we shall see you all then. Stay safe in the meantime, and hopefully see you all later. Thank you all for watching. I know this was a short little section. If you do go back to the 2 o'clock, you'll find the rest of this feed where it shows everything else we've done. Stay safe, and we look forward to seeing you tonight at 6.
Take care. Bye.